Welcome to BitBoy Crypto. This is your daily crypto wrap up. Now, usually I tell you about the day's stories and stuff like that, but look, no one cares about that right now. Bitcoin has taken the spotlight. So we're going to be taking a look at market Cipher, trend lines, Bitcoin, charts. What makes me believe that this is finally the moment that we have been waiting for as we look poised to get back above some EMA ribbons. Some really exciting stuff going on right now with Bitcoin. Let's start off by looking at the market. Bitcoin coming in right now, $51,315. And look at the market cap, $971.6 billion. Hopefully very soon, heading back over $1 trillion for the Bitcoin market cap. We got some other nice coins here, or nice pumps. Ethereum at 4,100. But look at Cardano up a whopping 10% today. As you guys can see, where's it at? Right there, 10%, almost back to $1.50. Terra Luna at 13.1% up today. SHIB, DOT, all up today. The biggest mover of the day, Sandbox, followed by Aave, Gala Games, Decentraland, CRO, Luna, Phantom, Sushi, Quant. All the coins that were pumping before the dump. So, all right, let's check this out because I've been fascinated by this. So if we go back to May, okay, we've had, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 major corrections. Now, one of them was kind of a correction within a correction. And, what we just saw are kind of two trends coming together over the last week or so. But I want to show you guys this. So when you look back here at Bitcoin for right now, we've been looking at this chart for a little bit here, okay? We've been looking at the longer term downtrend since the peak in November. We've been looking at the shorter trend down here. Something very significant happened in the last few days. I pointed it out several times. We are now above both of those lines. And look at this. We've wicked off of the top of the EMA ribbon. We could be jumping up above that as soon as tonight or tomorrow. That would be phenomenal news for Bitcoin. Breakout confirmed. So I started thinking, well, we had a lot of corrections. Did we have any fake outs? Did we have any fake outs during the last several corrections? And the answer to that is no. Every time we broke out massively. Now, I didn't chart this one. You could consider this one right here to be a fake out, but it wasn't really a giant dip or a giant correction, so I'm not actually counting that. So look at this one. Going back to, that would have been the beginning of September through the end of September. You saw this massive run down, boom, 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 off the top of the wick, off the next biggest wick, boom, 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 boom. Look at that. Solid breakout. Let's go back over here. This is basically the July that led to the bottom of the market, pretty much. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Breaks out. Then we look at the longest downtrend of the entire summer. You guys can see on that trend line, hits there, 2 times right there, comes down, wicks off that once. When it finally breaks above it, it moves. The point is this. The Bitcoin market is still in a bull market, in my opinion. Whenever we get these breakouts, they're leading to massive movement. And I know y'all made so much fun of me for these green dots. I know. Or maybe I took it too personally. Whatever the case may be. But look here, we got our 2 green dots. And now we're getting our breakout. Just go ahead and tell me that it don't work. And you gonna get some coal and you're stocking. All right, that's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.